Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Schwanen Narcisse. For today, we'll be going to answer the following question. Who is Merz B. Schwanen? My answer to this question is taken from Google, and this is what Wikipedia would say about who is Merz B. Schwanen. Merz B. Schwanen is a German clothing company known to produce unoriginal loop wheelers or loop wheel garments with organic materials in Germany. Originally, Merz B. Schwanen was founded by Balthasar Merz as Balthasar Merz BM Schwanen on the Swabian Alps in 1911 and remained a family-owned business until 2008. Globalization processes dominated the following decades of the 20th century, which caused a decline of the German textile industry because of both foreign companies and domestic companies that outsource parts of their value chain to low-wage countries. Eventually, Balthasar Merz BM Schwanen could not keep up with those companies and was forced to close its gates in 2008 due to lack of orders. About its relaunching, after finding an original Balthasar Merz BM Schwanen Henley shirt at a flea market in Berlin, menswear designer Peter Plotnicki and his wife Gita teamed up with the last remaining textile factories in Albstadt, a small town on the Swabian Jura. After evaluating the traditional way of production by using the same old loop wheelers and receiving the rights to utilize the name Merz B. Schwanen from the descendants of Balthasar Merz, the brand name was relaunched in 2011. The first menswear collection was shown at the Bread and Butter trade show in January 2011 in Berlin. All the products are designed by Peter and Gita Plotnicki in Berlin, where the company's headquarters is based. The production is still located in Albstadt, Germany. Since its relaunching in 2011, Merz B. Schwanen is sold in more than 35 countries. On its products, the company produces t-shirts, Henley shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, undergarments, and socks for men and women with styles referencing vintage workwear and sportswear to contemporary garments. Most garments are made of 100% organic cotton from Greece without chemical finishings, with different thicknesses or alternatively of cotton blends with viscose or merino wool. Another characteristic of Merz B. Schwanen garments is the woven label, which is manufactured with the handmade punch cards on historical looms from the 19th century. I came to know about the brand from the Instagram through my IG friends who have been wearing and using heritage and vintage reproduction clothing for the past so many years. For the past 2 years, I have been reading about the said brand on their post hashtags. I became more interested when a blogger on YouTube featured an item from Merz Schwanen, which is a white t-shirt, and it is a reproduction of the white t-shirt which is very popular in the 1950s, being worn by Marlon Brando and James Dean. Through such video, I was intrigued when the said brand was considered as the best t-shirt in the market today. Immediately, I browsed on their website store for their products and found out that almost all those models of white t-shirts and Henley shirts are out of stock. And plus the fact that I'm not confident to order a certain size in their white t-shirt and Henley shirt stocks, even if the site had published a table of size measurements. The price and the added cost for shipping had prevented me from deciding what to get if I'm going to purchase these items. After months had passed, I found out that the brand is available locally at the Signet store, and few weeks ago I was able to purchase a white t-shirt and a Henley shirt, which I was able to try them on the said store, and I was happy that this store has the right size for my body. Before I'm going to unbox those items that I bought from the Signet store, price of the white t-shirt is 4,000 to 5,000 pesos, while the Henley shirt is 6,000 pesos. Allow me then to unbox these items that I was able to purchase from the Signet store. First, I have the white shirt. The first item that I have here is their white t-shirt in classic fit, and this is the 1950s classic t-shirt, and it has some tag. Of course, the logo of Merz Schwanen is a swan, and there is a tag that says about the quality, originality, comfort, and all those things that says about dedication, workmanship, and originality of this product. This is size 4 or small, and I was able to fit this at the Signet store, and it was nice. It's made in Germany. It is a loop wheel shirt without any seams at the side, no seams at all. Very nice, very soft. This shirt is very light, very nice to the body, very comfortable, and it's a classic fit. It's nice to pair with your salvage denim, and it is a good product from Germany. As you know, loop wheel shirts are being produced by only 2 countries. One is from Germany, and the other one is from Japan. Let me now show you this another product. Actually, this is the original reproduction of the Henley shirt that the owner of this brand have seen in somewhere maybe 2008. This is one of their products, original products, that is properly boxed. I know this white shirt is also boxed, but according to the sales staff of this store, these items are boxed in group or bundle. That's the reason why there is no individual box for this classic fit white t-shirt. But for their Henley shirt, they have a specific box for this item, knowing that this is their primary product. And I think this is the one that really primed up the brand to international market. And we're going to unbox this item right now. Wow. And of course, some poster, almost the same of what you have seen in this tag, about the care, about the originality, about the comfort, about dedication, and everything. About the look wheelers in Germany, and all those information about the brand of Merz Schwanen. And you have also a picture of the factory or those look wheelers that they are using right now. And these look wheelers are being used since in the 1920s up to the present. I'm glad the couple Plotnitsky to maintain these old and vintage look wheelers. So this is how a Henley shirt looks like. It has 3 buttons in front, and you have ribbed sleeves at the hem, and this is size 4S, the same size with the classic t-shirt. This is without any seams on the side. Have your tag, made in Germany. The thickness, this one is thicker than this white t-shirt because Henley is supposed to be used for winter season as undergarment. Give me more time to use these shirts in my daily activities and expose them to more washes before I would be able to make an honest-to-goodness review and assessment of these Merz Schwanen shirts. I will make another video for the comparison of the white t-shirts in my collection, as most of them are being used for my rotation of clothing, whether as a shirt or undershirt, and of course have been washed for so many times already. If you want to experience or own a piece of look-built white t-shirt with history and vintage feel, I think some stocks of the Merz Schwanen are still available at the Signet store. There is no need for you to order from the Merz Schwanen website store, as you might be able to commit ordering a mistake on the right sizing of the shirt to your body. It is better for you to visit the Signet store and be able to actually fit the items to your own body. I would like to show you the logo and the letterings of the brand Merz Schwanen. You have a swan on top and the name Merz, and a small letter B and Schwanen. And you have the style, size, and the color of the Henley shirt. This is the tab of the white t-shirt that you can see at the back portion of your neck or at the nape portion. Notice that this brand name was not printed. It was embroidered. And true to their form, true to their words, the tab is also woven by, I think, by those rope wheelers, and this is not printed, this is embroidered. Very intricate, very fine. You got the swan logo and the name of the brand, which is Merz B. Schwanen. The same for the Henley shirt. You have the size number 4 or small, and then you have the brand tag, which is embroidered and very intricate and very detailed.